Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reacting to a video about Japan's strict rules on oil disposal. This is something I never really thought about before, but let's see what it's it all about. Wait, what? You can't pour oil down the sink or toilet in Japan? That's actually forbidden. Okay, this makes total sense. Oil clogs pipes like crazy, but I didn't know Japan had a strict rule or specific rules against it. That is some serious urban planning right there. Oh wow, even they have a special oil hardener to dispose of used oil properly. That's genius. I need to see how this works. Imagine if every country did this, we'd probably have way fewer clogged pipes and environmental issues. Japan is always ahead when it comes to sustainable solutions. All right, that was really eye-opening. I think this shows how Japan takes even the smallest details seriously to make life better for everyone. What do you think? Should more countries adopt these kinds of rules? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.